ePayPolicy integrates with Vertifor's QQCatalyst to make your payment processing seamless. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Give your clients easy access to your integrated payment page, whether on your website, email signature, or invoice. On the payment page, clients will enter their invoice number and postal code to make a payment. The open invoice will show on the page, and the client will have the option to make full or partial payments and pay with either credit card or ACH. Both you and the payer will receive an e-receipt displaying the invoice number and the amount paid. This information will also be accessible within the ePayPolicy dashboard. Additionally, a task is created in QQCatalyst with full details of the payment. As you can see, the integration really does streamline your receivables. Trust me, your accounting team will love this. Contact us to learn more about the QQCatalyst integration today.